Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO A15s and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To set it, open Settings application and its second option, SIM card and mobile data, and there scroll down to data usage. And it mobile data limit, and there we can set it. First step, we can set how many days we want in our size, maybe 1 month. There we can set our daily data limit in how many we want, maybe on 20 megabytes, 200 megabytes we can set it, and there we can turn on our data monthly limit to confirm by OK, and we can set it in custom number in gigabytes, megabytes, maybe we set on 5 gigabytes, and there we can also turn on our data alerts when we used how many gigabytes we get alert, maybe when we use 4 gigabytes. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.